Today I'm going to show you how to replace this cabin air filter. This has to be one of the easiest DIY maintenance projects that you can undertake. And this cabin filter is for a 2024 Honda CRV. The reason for this air filter change today is that the maintenance light came on, and this is one of the maintenance items that had to be addressed. And again, it's one of the simplest maintenance projects you can undertake yourself. This filter rests behind the glove box. So we open the glove box, and again, this is a 2024 Honda CRV. Different models may be a little different. Let's get this in here. We have this bracket that's connected to this pin that has to be removed, and you simply press down. All right, now we have to get this glove box out. To get the glove box out, I'm going to use two hands. I have to press this side and this side here, and the box will come forward. So we're pressing this side and this side, push them in, and the box comes down. And you can see this stud and the one on the other side is what had to be released. Now we simply pull this box straight out. You see right over here, there's a clip. How to put the camera down, and it's this clip here that goes onto that pin. Now we finally get to the filter. We have a cover in front of the filter. It has a little tab right here. Comes right out. Tab on this side. It's a little dark in here. All I did was press this tab in and press the tab in on the other side. This is an original Honda filter, and we're replacing it with an aftermarket one. See what it looks like. Wow, this is pretty bad. Check this out. I didn't expect to see this. Whew. Well, I guess it really had to be changed. Look at that. Now what this filter does, this isn't the engine filter. This filter's for the cabin filter, as we mentioned. And this is the air intake that's coming into the vehicle that you're breathing. Now, you can see here on the filter itself, when we pulled it out, it said airflow as the arrow pointing down. So you want to put it in the same way. Gotta love these warnings. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep away from babies and children. This bag is not a toy. There must have been tags like this for the last 50 years. All right. And you can see here it has an arrow with the arrow pointing down. I matched it up to make sure they're the same size. You always want to check. Whenever you're buying anything aftermarket, you want to check them. You want to make sure that the size is correct despite what it says. Okay, now just slide this in. Okay, now we put this tab back on. Okay, and it even tells you how they want it to go in. Pop this back in. Okay, once we have the cover back on, it's time to get the glove box back together. Again, it's just this clip here, one on this side, identical one on the other side. I'm just going to snap them back into here. Push one side in, push the other side in. Both sides are in. Now we have to squeeze both ends to get the box back in. Box is back in. Now we have to connect this lever here to this pin down here. Okay, you hear that click, and that's it. Glove box closes, glove box opens, the filter's in less than 5 minutes. Change that filter. Once you perform any maintenance on the car, you have to reset the maintenance light, and I have a video up above that'll show you how to reset that light. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you out, or you just found it interesting, give it a like. It does help. And if you have any questions or comments, post them down below. This all helps me with the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button not to miss any of my new videos as I upload them. Until next time, be safe.